Before we begin, take a deep breath and ask yourself, what if I'm not really separate from anything? What if there's a hidden connection, a secret thread that links your thoughts, your intentions, and your very presence to every particle in the universe? Quantum entanglement isn't just a scientific phenomenon. It's the invisible bridge between your consciousness and the cosmos. If you've ever felt a strange synchronicity, a moment when the universe responded to your thoughts, then you've already brushed against this secret law. So if you're drawn to mysteries, sacred knowledge, and the science that finally explains it all, subscribe now. Because what you're about to discover will change the way you see everything. Imagine this. Two particles are born together, twin sparks of the same cosmic fire. They spin, interact, and then drift apart. One travels across the room, the other across the galaxy. But no matter how far they go, they're still connected. Do something to one, and the other reacts instantly. Not delayed, instantly. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. But today, we call it quantum entanglement. It's not science fiction, it's real. It's measurable. It's been proven in laboratories around the world. But here's what they don't always tell you. This isn't just about particles. It's about you. You are made of atoms. Atoms made of subatomic particles, and those particles, they're entangled with the universe. That means your thoughts, your emotions, even your presence may influence reality far beyond your physical body. Ancient mystics have always said, as above, so below, as within, so without. Quantum entanglement may be the scientific proof of that very principle. You're not a separate observer. You are the entangled observer. You're in the field, part of the equation. Let's look at the experiments. In 1982, Alain Aspect and his team in France proved that particles communicate faster than light. Not through a signal, but through a shared state. Later, in Geneva, two entangled photons were sent 7 miles apart. Still instant correlation, even when no information could have physically traveled that distance. How is this possible? Because space isn't empty. Because time isn't linear. Because consciousness may be woven into the very structure of reality. Entanglement shows us the edges of something much bigger than physics. Here's the wild part. If two particles can be entangled, and you are made of particles, then you, right now, are entangled with everything you've ever interacted with, every hand you've touched, every emotion you've felt, every moment of joy, fear, awe, each one left a quantum signature, a thread in the invisible tapestry of connection. We are not islands, we are not random. We are waves in the same cosmic ocean. And in this ocean, everything affects everything. So, what does this mean for your life? It means your intentions have power. It means your thoughts are not private, they're energetic signals. When you focus on love, peace, abundance, you're not just daydreaming. You're aligning with a frequency, and that frequency reaches out, entangles, and influences reality. You are not a victim of the world. You are a participant in its unfolding. The more coherent your thoughts, the clearer the signal. In Tibetan Buddhism, they say all beings are interdependent. In the Vedas, they describe Indra's net a vast web where every jewel reflects every other. These are not just metaphors anymore. They may be descriptions of quantum entanglement in spiritual language. Even in Christianity, the idea that where two or more are gathered creates divine presence. That's resonance. That's connection. Science and spirituality are not enemies. They are two lenses finally focusing on the same truth. Quantum entanglement opens the door to a new understanding of healing. When a healer sends intention to another person, even across continents, could it be entanglement in action? When you think of someone and they call you, or you feel an emotion that isn't yours, could that be quantum resonance? You're entangled with your past self, your future self. Even the parallel versions of you that exist in infinite probabilities. And maybe, just maybe, by shifting your frequency, you shift which reality becomes your destiny. Many physicists now talk about the quantum field, a field where all possibilities exist, where every version of reality is real, and where consciousness collapses the wave into form. In that field, we are already whole, already connected, already one. You don't have to find your purpose, it's already entangled with you. You don't have to force success, just align with the frequency of the reality where it's already true. The universe doesn't respond to what you want. It responds to who you are. Here's how to align with the truth of quantum entanglement. Meditate daily to quiet the mind and access the field. Visualize the version of you that already has what you seek. Feel it emotionally. That emotional frequency is your energetic address. Trust synchronicities. These are signs of entangled alignment. Let go of separation. See others as reflections of you. Every interaction is a dance of entangled particles. Every moment is a chance to co-create with the universe. You've never been alone, not truly. Not even for a second. There are parts of you scattered across space and time, other versions, other moments, other souls you've danced with in this great unfolding. Quantum entanglement proves it. You are the secret link between energy and matter, between thought and reality, between the seen and the unseen. This isn't just science. It's you. You are the observer, and you are what is being observed. So the next time you feel, remember your presence echoes across the cosmos. The next time you think you're just one person, remember you're entangled with everything. And the next time you wonder if the universe hears you, know this, it doesn't just hear you. It is you. If this awakens something in you, subscribe, because we go deeper into these mysteries every week. You're not here by accident. You were entangled with this moment long before you clicked play. Welcome to the truth behind reality. Let me know if you'd like this formatted for teleprompter or voiceover use, or if you'd like the thumbnail prompt, SEO package, or a shorts teaser.